Chapter 29, Circle. Introduction of circle. A circle is a closed curve such that all the points on its circumference, that is boundary, are equidistant from a fixed point inside it. So this is center of circle. Let this is O and this one is center of circle. This one is boundary, rim or circumference. This one is boundary, rim or circumference. Then what is the definition of circle? Simply, a circle is a closed curve such that all the points on its circumference are equidistant from a fixed point inside the circle. So now we are assuming that there is a point A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So now as you can see, O is the center of circle. Okay. And this A, B, C, D, E, these all are the points available on boundary of circle. So the distance from O to A, distance from O to B, distance from O to A, distance from O to E, distance from O to D, distance from O to C. OB, OA, OE, OD, OC, these all are radius. क्लियर. सो एक सर्कल में सेंटर से डिस्टेंस जो होगा बाउंड्री पे वो सब रेडियस होगा. दैट मीन्स from center of circle, each point on the circumference and the distance between center and that point on circumference is known as radius. Now next is diameter. What do you mean by diameter? Actually, diameter is the longest chord in a circle which passes through center. Diameter is the longest chord in a circle which passes through center. So now, why I have said longest chord? Center of circle, clear? Now, some chords we are having in this circle. As you can see, this is the center of circle and this chord is longest as compared to this chords. Clear? This chord is longest. Let this is AB. So AB is a diameter of circle. Okay. Now, if you want to know about radius, simply radius is what? Diameter divided by 2. Clear? Then now, what if you are having a circle with center O and point P lie in the same plane such that the distance between O and P is greater than radius, equal to the radius and smaller than radius? For this scenario, the circle we are having, okay? Now this is your center of circle and one point P we are having outside. Now the first condition is given that the distance between O and P is greater than radius. If the distance is greater than radius, that means point P lies on outside. O से लेके ये यहाँ तक रेडियस, बट ये पॉइंट जो है आउटसाइड है तो रेडियस से ज़्यादा है, ठीक है, तो ये आउटसाइड आएगा. Then what about if पॉइंट P इज इक्वल टू रेडियस. इक्वल टू रेडियस मीन्स व्हाट? इस सर्कल की बाउंड्री पे वो पॉइंट कहीं पे भी हो सकता है, यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे. ठीक है. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन सेंटर एंड दैट पॉइंट इज सेम. रेडियस रेडियस रेडियस. देन व्हाट इफ द डिस्टेंस इज लेस देन रेडियस? ये सेंटर है, ये डिस्टेंस इतना है, तो ये तो रेडियस से काफ़ी कम हो गया. ठीक है. तो तीन कंडीशन है. अगर पॉइंट P का जो डिस्टेंस है सेंटर से ज़्यादा होगा, दूर होगा बहुत, सर्कल के आउटसाइड में आएगा. रेडियस के इक्वल होगा तो सर्कल की बाउंड्री पे आएगा, और रेडियस से स्मॉलर होगा तो सर्कल के अंदर हो जाएगा. ओके. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज कॉर्ड. नाउ व्हाट इज कॉर्ड? Simply, as I have explained you now, this one. These all are chords inside a circle. P, Q, R, S, A, M, A, B, R, Q, T, S, X, Y. These all are chords. Okay? And in a circle, you can draw chord anywhere. Just like this is also a chord, this one is a chord, this one is a chord. Clear? Then this one is a chord. So this is your chord, this one is your chord, this one is your chord, this is also your chord. Okay. Then remember, the longest chord is diameter, which passes through center. So explained you about chord. Next topic is secant and tangent. So secant and tangent you will study later in class 10th. Okay. So just remember what is secant and what is the tangent. Let this line is passing this circle. The line is passing through circle. This line is A and B. Okay. Now this line touches circle at two distinct points, this one and this one. Let these points are P and Q. So the inside portion from this P to this Q is known as secant. That means अगर कोई एक लाइन है सर्कल से पास हो रही है, तो जहाँ पे वो सर्कल को टच करेगी लाइन, जहाँ अलग अलग पॉइंट पे टच करेगी, वो जो डिस्टेंस होगा वो आपका secant होगा. Clear? Then what about tangent? What about tangent? Tangent means what? A straight line touching a circle at only one point is called a tangent. So a tangent will touch a circle only at one point, just like this, or like this, or like this. Clear? So ये जो है रेड लाइन्स, रेड एरोस, ये टेंजेंट, ये यहाँ पे टच करता है. पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट, ये पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट जो एग्जैक्टली परपेंडिकुलर होता है सेंटर के. ओके. एंड 90 डिग्री एंगल होता है. सो दिस इज योर टेंजेंट. टेंजेंट मीन्स व्हाट? द लाइन विल टच इज सर्कल एट ओनली वन पॉइंट ऑफ सर्कल, and that point is point of contact and the line is tangent. Next topic is arc. Simply in arc we are having minor arc and major arc. This is your circle. Okay. And now this is your chord. Okay. You can assume anywhere, no problem. Let this chord is AB. So this one is minor. Okay. Chord AB. Sorry, arc AB. This is representation of arc. So arc AB is your minor. ये दिखने में छोटा लग रहा है ना, तो ये माइनर आर्क. ये बिगर पोर्शन है, तो ये होगा मेजर आर्क. इसको कैसे पढ़ेंगे, कैसे रीड करना है? आर्क बी ए. आर्क बी ए इज मेजर आर्क, while arc AB is minor arc. Okay. Then next is sector. What do you mean by sector? Simply, when you are cutting a cake, you are getting sector over there. This is center of circle. Okay. So now from this I have cut it. This is your center of circle. Okay. So now this portion is minor sector, while this one is major sector. Okay. Then in minor sector you are getting this shape, and this shape is quadrant. And what do you mean by quadrant? 1/4 part of circle. Okay. Then next topic is segment. Segment is also same, just like chord, just like arc, minor arc and major arc. This one is your arc. Okay, arc PQ. So now this one is minor segment and this one is major segment. ये कुछ बिग मिलता है एज कम्पेयर टू दिस वन, तो वो मेजर, जो छोटा मिलता है वो माइनर. द लास्ट इज एक्सटीरियर एंड इंटीरियर ऑफ सर्कल. आई थिंक यू नो वेरी वेल अबाउट इंटीरियर एंड एक्सटीरियर ऑफ सर्कल. A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D are interior points, while this P, Q, R are exterior points. So your introduction for chapter circle is over now. Tomorrow I will upload a video of exercise 29A. Exercise 29B is encircle and circumcircle, that I am removing from syllabus. So encircle and circumcircle I am removing from syllabus because the same exercise, the same construction again you will study in class 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So simply you are having plenty of time in next classes, so you can continue in next classes. Okay, so for that reason I am removing exercise 29B. So only 29A for your circle.